authentication means we are also using biometric at a time, also using password at a time, and also using face recognition at a time. Face recognition, it may be personal questions, maybe, because combination of all security element means it is a combination some element that is the work for the security, as I think. So multi-factor effective way to enhance security, I told you, enhance security means it will be secure my data, it will be secure my account, nobody can access my account without my permission. If they need access to access my account, then they need to my fingerprint, my eye retina, it may be, there are so many element, they need a lots of element to access my account. Actually, somebody has told me, sir, slide is not changing.
No. Slide is changing because of their speed. Okay. Okay. Next slide. I will show you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Check it.
Then we are talking about the element. What are the element? There are so many elements, but we will discuss only few elements about fingerprint. I talked about fingerprint. What is the fingerprint? Because fingerprint also my secure. It will be what we know, what we have. मेरे पास जो है, what we have. I have a fingerprint. I have a face recognition. I have a voice recognition, and also I have a iris. Iris means eye retina. Eye retina, iris. Both are different things. And also there is also behavior analysis. It means it will be recognized by your hand
movement,
by your
hand movement,
by your hand movement. Yeah, of course. And also unlock my account through my answer the personal question, because what is your pet name, what is your actually everybody's told me super slide is not visible.
Everybody is saying that proper slide not visible means, you see, you are speaking without what you are speaking, whatever the extra things you are speaking, that's why they are thinking. See, students, Hassan is explaining just one point in the front slide. After that, he is explaining his background knowledge, not written in the slide. Okay, exactly, he's not reading from slide. You are everyone is able to see that important security element. That's enough. He's not speaking exact from the slide to slide. Okay, so he's explaining from his knowledge.
Actually, I send my PPT there, and maybe they download it and see this.
No. Let's say, but no need to see that. Here, people are able to see, na.
Yes, sir.
That's enough. Otherwise, it will be not synchronous. Then what is the benefit of that screen sharing and online presentation? Then everyone will see that he's on his own computer. Not possible. I think it is. We are seeing the introduction page. Introduction page. What is this introduction page? Voice is breakable. How many are able to see the security element page? Tell me. How many are able to see the security element page? Write in chat box, please. We are seeing the introduction page in slide 1 and visible. Okay. Okay, no, sir. I don't know. 1 minute again. I am sharing that. No, sir. Okay. It's because of internet speed, you know, because I am changing slide from here, but I'm not able to see. Okay. Okay, I'm again sharing. Wait. Oh, sorry. This is happening. Now I think you are able to see that. I did mistake basically. Now you tell me how many are able to see the security element. Yes, correct. Actually, what happened, I did not say. I opened two files. One file is open that I did not share, and I was running in my system, not in the Zoom. That's why it is not open. Okay, chalo, start. Yes, now it's okay. Chalo,
Then
start.
we are on the element. What are the element? I already talked about it is a combinational of element. Then what is the combination? What is the element? What are the element? Biometric, it may be your biometric face recognition, voice recognition, behavior analysis, iris retina, answer your personal question. It may be there. You are using two or more than two element using at a time to access your account. That means your account will be safe. I think so. Got it? Yeah. Now, what are the credential of multi-factor? What is the mean of credential of multi-factor? How it become a multi-factor? It means credential means how it become a multi-factor. Because first one is a something you have, second one is a something you know, and third one is a something you are. Then it is a combined. The three of it combined, and after that it become a multi-factor authentication. Then it will work as a multi-factor authentication. That means what is the something you have? What you have to multi-factor? It means you should have a one device. You should have any object to store your password there, and they will activate your password there, and then you will enter your password. It may be you. I think so. You listened about the one GPS device, GPS tracker device, password tracker. And it means every minute, every 5 minutes, every hour, when you are login, your password will be automatically changed. How it is happened? Because that is also work in a device. So that is means something you have means you should have your phone, you should have your GPS tracker, you should have your password tracker. Maybe if you are using only one, this one is phone, and then you are using password. If you don't have a using your phone, and you have a biometric and you have a password, then how you will open it? Then you can't open it now. So that means you should have a device or object allowed to access your account. That means something you have. What you have your device, you have your application to open your application, and something you know, something we are all familiar with. What how will Where we are familiar, because what we know, this include the password pin security. It means it include username, ID, password. Because actually everybody seen this picture, position, knowledge, being, where we are open it, and what is my password, ID and password, and what I am. I hope you got it. Then something information you are using at a time, you know what is it, you know your password, you know your ID, you know your information, that's a required through your account. And something you are, it refers to a biometric. It means what you are. Right now we are talking about you have and you know, तुम्हारे पास क्या है और तुम क्या जानते हो. But right now we are talking about what you are. What you are means तुम क्या हो. Then it refers to your biometric. I talked about biometric, eye retina, physical analysis, मतलब behavior analysis, and fourth one is answer a personal question. What makes you generically unique from everyone else? Mean it become your, that means what you are, it your biometric and face recognition, it is a different from another guys, another person, because every person has a different biometric, every person has a different iris, every person has a different eye retina. Am I right? So that is the something you are, and that is the credential, and it become it is a combined at a single, it is a combined. Then you are using multi-factor credential, the combination of credential element. It is also element, but it is also element in this element in मतलब element इसके अंदर आता है. Something you have and something you know, element are inside the credential. What are the credential and how it become a multi-factor. And next one is why we need. Actually we are thinking we are using only password. Then what is the need of multi-factor? Why need? Then when we use a sensitive data, what is the mean of sensitive data? Sensitive data means it's your personal data. It may be your financial, it may be your computer accessing, it may be your primary mail, it may be your different things what you have. No, you don't want to share with all over the guys. It means you have a lot of money in your account, and somebody wants to access your account to steal your uh, money. Then that time we need it, na? Of course, we need it. Then how it provides some better facilities than password? Then how it is provided some better facilities? We should know how it is because uh, because we are using a multi-factor. Then how it is provided? I only know the bank server. Just take the example of bank server. Bank server has told me your account balance is this, and you are using a online banking. Then they only give me the online user ID and password. But there are also working so many works. We are also using the Aadhaar card link through a biometric. We can access also biometric there. Am I right? So that time we should know how it work. Then first one is enhanced security. Second one is greater compliance. Third one is ease of case, and fourth one is peace of mind. Then what is the enhanced security? It provide an added layer of security. Added layer of security means because it has a different layer, biometric layer, facial recognition, ID password. So it is also become a layer, na? So in order to access to your account and cyber criminal to steal your username and password to your phone. Then we are using a then we are using my phone. We are using user ID and password, and also they are using a biometric. Then that time cyber criminal will be think about it. What is that? Why I can't get it? I can't get him because there is an enhanced security. It has a layer of some security. Nobody will come in your server. Nobody will come in your phone. Nobody will like direct attack you through your attack your phone. And next one is the greater compliance. What is the meaning of greater compliance? That means many business will implement multi-factor. Why many business implement multi-factor authentication? Because many business have a different type of security, different type of project. So they doesn't want to show all over the person before he developing. You just take example the IT sector. Many companies are working on the different project, but they don't want to share his project coding. Then they don't want to share his so many things. And also, so that time we need to multi-factor authentication. If some another organization will attack your company, attack your organization to know your project name and project coding, that time my data will be stolen. Na? Then we need the multi-factor authentication. And third one is the ease of case. Using multi-factor authentication is not a lot of easier than creating 100 number of password. If you are using a more than 100 number of password, we are using complex password. Then what will be happen there that time? Maybe I forgot my complex password. Maybe I forgot my complex password and so many things. So and last one is the peace of mind. This one is last. Why we are using a multi-factor authentication? Peace of mind. When your information is secure, you don't have to spend as much time worrying about it. Then when my data will be secure, then we can't take any types of tense. And I will be free. I will be feel free anywhere because my data will be secure because I have logged with multi-factor authentication. So this for both individual and business. It is also used for both places. We can also use for individual and also use for business. Because of it means individual means you are using your system. That means you are also lock your through BitLocker and also use your biometric locker. That time after BitLocker password, you can also use the biometric. Then your system will be opened. So, but and last one, the conclusion in the it not my survey. According to the Telesign is the organization research company. 86% people say that multi-factor authentication is make them feel like to their online information is more secure. Multi-factor authentication is more secure than the password. So that's why multi-factor authentication is better than the password. So thank you. Any question? Anybody else?
Okay, those who have a question can unmute and ask the question from Ehsan. No, first of all, yes, ask. If no one have question, then I'll ask. Let's start the question. No one have question. It means you understood all things. Huh?
I think so. I hope you all get it.
No.
Whatever I told.
It is not possible.
Actually, if somebody has a problem, then you can say me clearly.
Okay, no problem. So first of all, one thing, two, three things I have absorbed it. Okay, I will
Yes.
explain. First of all, I will ask the students. Can you give the feedback to the Ehsan how he's presented? Please unmute your mic and speak it. Please give the feedback to the student.
Please give me feedback.
It was good.
It was
Quite
good
good.
one. Feedback and compliment. With the feedback and compliment. Feedback always doesn't mean the good. Very good. Awesome. Feedback means, see, he should take this point and he should improve it. That is the point. Okay.
If I have any
It was
problem,
awesome.
One by one, please unmute and mute one by one. Just tell me. बोलो. कोई फीडबैक नहीं दे पा रहे हो इसको? इसके
yeah, Nosad, Kadir, Zinat, have I done any mistake there?
I wasn't.
अच्छा था.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
But clearly सुन नहीं पा रहा.
अच्छा, ठीक
Oh,
है.
set.
ठीक है. So
Sir, good presentation, sir.
कदीर.
Thank you, Kadir.
चलो. और बताओ नौसाद, हामिद. So now I will give the feedback. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, chalo. See, two, three things. First thing, when you are giving the presentation, you should sync with the slide. Okay, sync with the slide. Slide means like whatever the in a screen, you have to speak on the screen, whatever the slides are there. Okay, then you have to sync with. You can speak extra or many things also, no problem. But at the same time, it should be syncing. Students are not able to say that, okay, whether you are speaking in same slide or outside. What I understood, what I observed. And second thing, whenever you are giving the presentation, don't repeat many things at 2-3 times. Just like when you are speaking about the multi-factor password, so authentication, you speak one time or two times maximum. If you repeat the same thing 2, 3, 4 times, this feedback for all the students. So next time when you give the presentation, keep in mind, don't repeat the same thing 2, 3, 4 times, so that what will happen, the audience will get bored. Okay, you are speaking 2, 3, you will feel like no, it is okay, but
Actually, sir, I am asking to participate. I'm not asking to all participants. I'm audible there or not, because there is a lot of network issue.
No,
so
that
nobody
is okay.
will like nobody.
That is okay. That is okay. That is, and that is not. I'm thinking is when you are speaking content, when you are delivering the content part. Okay, that I observe
Okay,
it.
sir.
You are repeating things. Okay, otherwise
no
really your voice is good. If you give this kind of presentation, you will be good. No, like your presentation, your speech of the voice and pitch of the voice, you are able to speak in front of the online. That is very good. So one or two after giving the 2, 3 more presentation or with the practice, you are able to get it better and better. Many students will not able to speak also. So you should take this part is you are able to speak. Very good. It's very good. Like last time Aisa gave it, she is also able to speak it. So this is the learning process. No, you should not take other students, what I'm telling you, other students like those who are thinking that I'm not able to speak like English and this thing. No, not to worry about that one. Day by day, one day no one reach that position. You know, day by day. I think Ehsan have practiced also. Did you practice, Ehsan?
Yes, sir.
Yes. See,
I had practiced before it.
yes, correct. So once you practice it, you will get the confidence. You are able to speak it. Without practice, nothing comes. So those students who feel that I will not able to speak like Ehsan, whatever he is speaking, today he gave the presentation. Don't worry about it. He asked that he tried, and he gave his 100%, and he tried. If he could have done better also, but whatever he able to do it, he's able to do it. You know, because he tried. That's very very important point to remember that कुछ भी difficult नहीं है, अगर हम कोशिश करेंगे तो हमसे हो जाएगा. So not to worry about it. So next presentation, ये बहुत अच्छा रहा presentation है तुम्हारा, और you are really now.
Yeah, thank you so much, sir.
Now if anyone will ask this question, I'm telling you, you can give the very well answer. See, अगर मैं इसी को explain करता, अब तुम्हें बहुत अच्छा खासा डेटा, और इट इज वेरी फेमस क्वेश्चन. जब सिक्योरिटी टर्म में जाओगे या फिर कभी एप्लीकेशन भी बनाओगे तुम, तो ये वाला दिमाग में रखना पड़ेगा. यू शुड कीप इन द माइंड दिस पॉइंट. ओके, सो हाँ. सो नाउ नेक्स्ट प्रेजेंटेशन इज हामिद, बट टाइम बहुत हो गया, तो क्या कहते हैं, आप लोग को जाना है, काम अपना कुछ होगा, तो आप लोग बताओ क्या करना है. हामिद का प्रेजेंटेशन लेना है भी या फिर बताओ. नेक्स्ट टाइम
सर एक्चुअली अज़ान भी हो गई है, नमाज भी पढ़ना है.
चलो ठीक है. नमाज तो साथ
टाइम
में
हो गया सर.
नमाज कहीं मस्जिद में जाते पढ़ने के लिए क्या?
नहीं सर, एक्चुअली घर पे जमात बनाते हैं पापा के साथ.
अच्छा चलो ठीक है. तो कल अब नेक्स्ट क्लास में करते हैं हामिद का और राबिया का. ठीक है राबिया, हेलो.
यस सर.
आपका प्रेजेंटेशन तैयार हो गया?
सर इट्स अंडर प्रोसेस.
ओके गुड. सो नेक्स्ट टाइम क्या कहते हैं, दोनों का करते हैं. फिर उसके बाद नेक्स्ट वो था कौन था, एक और बोल रहे थे ना, कोई कुछ फोन लेने के लिए बोल रहे थे. नेक्स्ट मेरे पास एक टॉपिक. नुरुल्ला,
अफजल बोल रहा था.
अफजल है क्या? अभी नहीं है अभी अफजल. ठीक है. तो एक मेरे पास अभी टॉपिक है, किसको लेना है. क्वेश्चन है what is cyber security, how it is important in current world, and what is the job opportunity in here in the cyber security, and what are the prevention in cyber security. I'll send the question. अगर किसी को लेना है तो ले लो, ठीक है. नहीं तो अफजल तो बोला था मैं उसको, अगर अभी किसी को लेना है तो बताओ.
एक्चुअली सर मास और नौसाद.
हाँ, नौसाद
and also Kadir.
कोई नहीं, तो देखेंगे किसी को नेक्स्ट में देखेंगे. तो समीम एक वो प्रेजेंटेशन, वो अपना क्वेश्चंस ने 25-30 क्वेश्चन था. रियली ही मेल वेरी बेटर वेल असाइनमेंट काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स. आई विल शेयर इन द गूगल क्लासरूम आल्सो. मतलब जितना क्वेश्चन था ना, जो सीट्स ने मैंने लिखवाया था एग्जाम, उन्होंने पूरा क्लास में जो लिखवाया था उन्होंने पूरा असाइनमेंट बना के मुझे कल शेयर किया था, सेंड कर दिया. रियली ही मेड वेरी वेल. सो आई विल पोस्ट इट दैट, गो थ्रू दैट. एंड ओनली वन की पॉइंट इज दैट for my subject, whatever the things I shared in the Google classroom, that's very very important. You go through that for exam point of view. Exam तो इसके बाद ही मेरे हिसाब से होना चाहिए, लेकिन let's see what will happen, not to worry about that part. तो ऐसे कुछ सीखते रहेंगे तो like कुछ तो knowledge increment होगा ही, है ना. Okay?
Yes sir.
Anything else? किसी को कुछ doubts है तो पूछ सकते हो अभी थोड़ा सा.
नुरुल्ला.
नौसाद खुद की टॉपिक सेलेक्ट नहीं, खुद की टॉपिक में आप सेलेक्ट कर सकते हो, लेकिन जो हमारे पास गूगल क्लासरूम में है ना वही. तो अगर आउट ऑफ द सिलेबस करेंगे तो क्या फायदा हो जाएगा, है ना. तो कोशिश करेंगे हम जो गूगल क्लासरूम में जो हम कंटेंट डालें उसी से एक मटेरियल ले आए, ठीक है, अगर आपको करना है तो. ठीक है, तो ये हो जाएगा. तो अभी मेरे पास दो ऑलरेडी प्रेजेंटर है, हामिद है, राबिया है. नेक्स्ट मंडे को करते हैं, ठीक है, मंडे या ट्यूसडे को करते हैं. एक दिन वीक में 2 दिन करेंगे मैक्सिमम, नॉट मोर देन दैट. 1 घंटे का, है ना. थोड़ा इंटरेक्शन हो जाएगा, कुछ तो हो जाएगा. बाकी आप लोग होपफुली आप लोग कुछ ना कुछ एक्स्ट्रा कर ही रहे होंगे, टाइम को सही से यूज कर रहे होंगे, है ना. तो हाँ ओके. तो आप उसमें से चेक करके मुझे पूछ लीजिएगा, मैं बता दूंगा, ओके कर दूंगा, फिर स्टार्ट कर दीजिएगा 9 7. ठीक है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. ओके Hopefully, okay. If anyone want to open his their video, you can open it. Okay, साथ देखते हैं कौन कहाँ है कैसा है, अगर ओपन करना चाहते हो, नहीं तो इट्स ओके। आई थिंक सब लोग को मेरा स्क्रीन दिख रहा होगा ना?
Yes, sir.
चलो ठीक है, गुड। स्क्रीन पूरा सबका दिख रहा है? गुड, चलो ओके। तो फिर किसी को कोई डाउट्स नहीं है? मुझे मतलब मुझे एक चीज लगता है ना कि क्वेश्चंस रिलेटेड आप लोग डाउट्स मतलब सब्जेक्ट रिलेटेड डाउट्स कम पूछते हो। बात करने के लिए बैठे तो बात बहुत कर सकते हैं, लेकिन सब्जेक्ट रिलेटेड डाउट आप लोग कम पूछते हो। तो कोशिश करना चाहिए कि क्या कहते हैं हम लोग सब्जेक्ट रिलेटेड डाउट्स पूछें, है ना? चलो, हामिद रोड पे कहाँ घूम रहे हो तुम? बाहर मत घूमो तुम, ठीक है? चलो ओके, टाइम भी आउट होने जा रहा है, ठीक है, गुड। आई थिंक तुम लोग एक्स्ट्रा कुछ कर ही रहे होगे कि एक्स्ट्रा कुछ ना कुछ करना रहना, मतलब सब्जेक्ट से जब सब्जेक्ट तो जो पढ़ ही रहे हैं, लेकिन एक्स्ट्रा कुछ नॉलेज कर रहा है। अभी आप क्या कहते हैं कितना करे वेब डिजाइनिंग वाला पार्ट?
So almost complete होने का।
कुछ बनाए?
सब बना रहे हैं।
अच्छा अच्छा, गुड। चलो
उस वीडियो में जो भी है उसी के अकॉर्डिंग।
हाँ हाँ, उसी के अकॉर्डिंग बनाना है, मतलब एक कुछ ना कुछ एक प्रोजेक्ट छोटा सा बनाना है ताकि कुछ समझ में आ जाएगा, ठीक है?
Yes.
बाकी और कोई अगर कुछ प्रोजेक्ट कर रहा है तो बताओ, ठीक है? नूरुल्लाह बोला था हम वेब डिजाइनिंग में कुछ करेंगे, पता नहीं कुछ कर रहा है कि नहीं कर रहा है नूरुल्लाह, ठीक है? नूरुल्लाह बोल नहीं रहा है, ठीक है? एनीवेज, किसी को अगर कुछ एक्स्ट्रा कुछ करना है छुट्टी में, कुछ एक्स्ट्रा जैसे लाइक साइबर सिक्योरिटी रिलेटेड या वेब डिजाइनिंग रिलेटेड कुछ भी कुछ लेकिन करना है तो मुझे पिंग कर सकते हो, बात कर सकते हो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, मैं ऑलवेज अवेलेबल। ओके, चलो ओके, ऑल द बेस्ट। So happy Ramzan all of you, and do remember in your prayers. Okay.
Same to you, sir.
Okay. So
तो भी sir,
thank you so much. So everyone do for prayer for everyone really, and do think about good कि जल्दी से यूनिवर्सिटी खुल जाए, फिर हम लोग फिर से पढ़ाई स्टार्ट करेंगे। रियली मैं बता रहा हूँ, the way we are doing this time, this is good, this is good, we are learning something. Many people are not able to learn the things, like हम लोग क्लास में है अराउंड 28 स्टूडेंट है, लेकिन 15 से 20 लोग ही आ पा रहे हैं, 10 लोग नहीं आ पा रहे हैं, लिटरली नहीं आ पा रहे। एक साजिया हमारे क्लास में थी, वो तो आती नहीं है, पता नहीं उससे कांटेक्ट होता है?
साजिया इकबाल ना?
हाँ
तो वो ज्वाइन
हाँ वो तो आती है।
नहीं, एक साजिया और थी ना, 2 साजिया है।
शाजिया से एक वो भी आती है, शायद आज भी कनेक्ट हुई है।
ज्वाइन करती।
अच्छा, तो ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है कि जो क्लासमेट आप लोग का है, प्लीज क्या कहते हैं, जो हम लोग से बात करते हैं मिलते हैं, तो जो जिससे दोस्ती है सबको बताइए, शेयर कीजिए कि हम लोग कर रहे हैं, तो आप भी गूगल क्लासरूम से जाके करो, मतलब आउट ऑफ इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं होना, कभी कॉल कर लिया करो। दिस इज ऑल्सो वन काइंड ऑफ चैरिटी, यू नो, हेल्पिंग द अदर्स, दिस ऑल्सो वन काइंड ऑफ चैरिटी। चैरिटी डजंट मीन दैट गिविंग द मनी, यू नो, this is one kind of charity that helping the people, that's giving the correct path, correct way, सही डायरेक्शन बताना, सही इल्म देना, दिस इज ऑल्सो काइंड ऑफ चैरिटी। तो अगर आपके दोस्त नहीं ज्वाइन कर पा रहे तो बताइए, उसको हेल्प कीजिए, दैट्स ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द थिंग्स। ओके, ऑल ऑफ यू, ऑल द बेस्ट, अल्लाह हाफिज।
आपको
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
वालेकुम।